Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Tinder app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your